Rightio, so just a couple of finishing touches of little bits. Now to keep an eye on me and keep watching each bathroom I do, if you just subscribe, you're home and hose. I come out every 2 or 3 days with something new, something different, and something you can learn. So there is your penny round feature niche, feature wall niche. I know the owner will be over the moon when she comes home from work. I know that for sure. Now we go to the aluminium. Oh, cup of tea. So that's pretty cool. It's all like you saw the way I did it. I centered it all and went off that center line. So I've got an even cut either side, or pretty close to it. And the same top and bottom. So now I'll put my aluminium around and my tile, just finish it off. Be home and hose. Okay, I'll pop my aluminium around and